नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी विकास शिंदे आणि माझ्या या चॅनेलवर तुमचं मनपूर्वक स्वागत आहे. आज आपण रोजच्या वापरातील काही सेंटेन्सेस पाहणार आहोत. ही सेंटेन्सेस तुम्ही कुटुंबासोबत, मित्रांबरोबर आणि तुमच्या कामाच्या ठिकाणी याचा वापर करून सराव करू शकता. मी गेलो आणि तो घरी राहिला. I went and he stayed home. I went and he stayed home. ती सुंदर आहे पण खूप शांत आहे. She is beautiful but very quiet. Is beautiful but very quiet. मला चहा आवडतो पण कॉफी नाही. I like tea but not coffee. I like tea but not coffee. तू अभ्यास कर नाहीतर तू नापास होशील. Study or you will fail. Study or you will fail. तो आला कारण त्याला मदत हवी होती. He came because he needed help. He came because he needed help. मी थकलो होतो म्हणून मी झोपलो. I was tired so I slept. I was tired so I slept. ती आली नाही कारण तिला ताप होता. She didn't come because she had a fever. She didn't come because she had a fever. जर पाऊस पडला तर आपण जाणार नाही. If it rains, we won't go. If it rains, we won't go. जेव्हा मी आलो तेव्हा तो आधीच गेला होता. When I came, he had already gone. When I came, he had already gone. मला हे खायला आवडत नाही जरी ते चविष्ट असले तरी. I don't like to eat this, although it is tasty. I don't like to eat this, although it is tasty. तो अभ्यास करतो आणि खेळतोही. He studies and also plays. He studies and also plays. माझी बहीण हुशार आहे पण आळशी आहे. My sister is smart but lazy. My sister is smart but lazy. मी निघालो आधी पाऊस सुरू झाला. Before I left, it started raining. Before I left, it started raining. जोपर्यंत तू प्रामाणिक आहेस, लोक तुला मान देतील. As long as you are honest, people will respect you. As long as you are honest, people will respect you. मी अभ्यास केला नाही म्हणून मला कमी मार्क आले. I didn't study, so I got low marks. I didn't study, so I got low marks. तू अभ्यास केलास तरच तुला यश मिळेल. You will succeed only if you study. You will succeed only if you study. मी शांत बसलो होतो तर ते बोलत होते. I was sitting quietly while they were talking. I was sitting quietly while they were talking. मला त्यांचा नंबर माहित नव्हता म्हणूनच मी फोन केला नाही. I didn't call because I didn't know his number. I didn't call because I didn't know his number. ती रडत होती कारण तिला दुखापत झाली होती. She was crying because she got hurt. She was crying because she was hurt. मला खेळायला आवडतं आणि वाचायलाही. I like to play and to read too. I like to play and to read too. मी गेलो असतो तर मी त्याला भेटलो असतो. If I had gone, I would have met him. If I had gone, I would have met him. जरी तो गरीब आहे तरी तो आनंदी आहे. Though he is poor, he is happy. Though he is poor, he is happy. मी त्याला मदत केली कारण तो माझा मित्र आहे. I helped him because he is my friend. I helped him because he is my friend. ती झोपली होती जेव्हा मी आलो. She was sleeping when I came. शी वॉज स्लीपिंग when I came. जर तू वेळेत आलास नाही तर ट्रेन निघून जाईल. If you don't come on time, the train will leave. If you don't come on time, the train will leave. आम्ही चित्रपट बघितला आणि मग जेवायला गेलो. We watched a movie and then went for dinner. We watched a movie and then went for dinner. मला भूक लागली. मला खूप भूक लागली होती म्हणून मी खाल्लं. I was very hungry so I ate. I was very hungry so I ate. मला माहित आहे की तू सत्य बोलतोस. I know that you speak the truth. I know that you speak the truth. मला वाटतं की तो येईल. I think that he will come. I think that he will come. जोपर्यंत तू प्रयत्न करत नाहीस तुला यश मिळणार नाही. Until you try, you won't succeed. Until you try, you won't succeed. मी नाश्ता केला नाही कारण मला वेळ नव्हता. I didn't have breakfast because I had no time. I didn't have breakfast because I had no time. तू बोललास तरच मला समजेन. I will understand only if you speak. I will understand only if you speak. ती हसली कारण जोक मजेदार होता. She laughed because the joke was funny. She laughed because the joke was funny. मी काम पूर्ण करेन नंतर मी झोपेन. I will sleep after I finish the work. I will sleep after I finish the work. तो आला नाही म्हणूनच आम्ही थांबलो नाही. He didn't come so we didn't wait. He didn't come so we didn't wait. मला माहित नाही कोण येणार आहे. I don't know who is coming. I don't know who is coming. मला माहित नाही कधी ते घडेल. I don't know when it will happen. I don't know when it will happen. तू चांगलं करशील जर तू प्रयत्नशील राहशील. You will do well if you keep trying. You will do well if you keep trying. मी विचार केला पण काहीच उत्तर सापडलं नाही. I thought but found not answer. I thought but found not answer. मी अभ्यास केला आणि तरीही मला कमी मार्क आले. I studied and still got low marks. I studied and still got low marks. मी थांबणार नाही जोपर्यंत मी जिंकत नाही. I won't stop until I win. I won't stop until I win. मला माहित नाही का तो रागवला. I don't know why he got angry. I don't know why he got angry. तो आला नाही कारण त्याची तब्येत बिघडली होती. He didn't come because he was sick. He didn't come because he was sick. मी तिथे गेलो आणि त्याला भेटलो. I went there and met him. I went there and met him. मला वाटलं की तू चुकीचा आहेस. I think that you are wrong. I think that you are wrong. मी येईल जर वेळ मिळाला. I will come if I get time. I will come if I get time. जरी पाऊस पडत होता तरीही आम्ही खेळलो. Although it was raining, we played. Although it was raining, we played. मला चहा आवडतो कारण तो मला ताजेतवाने करतो. I like tea because it refreshes me. I like tea because it refreshes me. जर तू हसलास तर इतरही हसतील. If you smile, others will too. If you smile, others will too. तो लवकर उठतो म्हणून तो वेळेत पोहोचतो. He wakes up early so he reach on time. He wakes up early so he reach on time. मला माहित आहे की तू प्रयत्नशील आहेस. I know that you are hard working. I know that you are hard working. मी थांबलो कारण पाऊस सुरू झाला. I stopped because it started raining. I stopped because it started raining. ती आनंदी होती जेव्हा तिला भेट मिळाली. She was happy when she got the gift. She was happy when she got the gift. जोपर्यंत तू घाबरत नाहीस तू जिंकू शकतोस. As long as you are not afraid, you can win. As long as you are not afraid, you can win. मी काम केलं आणि मग झोपलो. I worked and then slept. I worked and then slept. मी येईन जर तू मला बोलवशील. I will come if you call me. I will come if you call me. तो गेला नाही कारण त्याला वेळ नव्हता. He didn't go because he had no time. He didn't go because he had no time. मी वाचतो कारण मला शिकायला आवडतं. I read because I like to learn. I read because I like to learn. ती अभ्यास करते आणि मदतही करते. She studies and helps too. She studies and helps too. मी काम करतो तर ती स्वयंपाक करते. I work while she cooks. I work while she cooks. मला माहित नाही कुठे तो राहतो. I don't know where he lives. I don't know where he lives. मी प्रयत्न करेन जोपर्यंत मी यशस्वी होत नाही. I will try until I succeed. I will try until I succeed. मी निघालो नंतर तो आला. He came after I left. He came after I left. मी तुला फोन करेन जेव्हा मी मोकळा होईन. I will call you when I am free. I will call you when I am free. मी हसलो कारण ते मजेदार होतं. I laughed because it was funny. I laughed because it was funny. मी थांबलो नाही कारण मला घाई होती. I didn't stop because I was in a hurry. I didn't stop because I was in a hurry. ती अभ्यास करते आणि तरीही चिंता करते. She studies and still worries. She studies and still worries. तो उशिरा आला म्हणून शिक्षक रागवले. He was late so the teacher got angry. He was late so the teacher got angry. मी झोपलो होतो तेव्हा तू फोन केला. I was sleeping when you called. I was sleeping when you called. मी तुला मदत करेन जर तू मला विचारशील. I will help you if you ask me. I will help you if you ask me. मला माहित नाही का ती रडली. I don't know why she cried. I don't know why she cried. तो गेला आणि परत आला नाही. He went and didn't come back. He went and didn't come back. मी वाट पाहिली पण तो आला नाही. I waited but he didn't come. I waited but he didn't come. मी आनंदी आहे कारण सगळं ठीक आहे. I am happy because everything is fine. I am happy because everything is fine. मी विचार करेन नंतर तुला सांगेन. I will think and then tell you. I will think and then tell you. तू लवकर आलास तर आपण निघू शकतो. If you come early, we can leave. If you come early, we can leave. मी जेवणार नाही जोपर्यंत तू नाहीस. I won't eat until you do. I won't eat until you do. ती आली नाही कारण पाऊस पडत होता. She didn't come because it was raining. She didn't come because it was raining. मी तुला भेटलो तेव्हा मी बाजारात होतो. I met you when I was in the market. I met you when I was in the market. मी अभ्यास करतो म्हणूनच मला चांगले गुण मिळतात. I study so I get good marks. I study so I get good marks. मी थांबू शकत नाही कारण मला काम आहे. I can't wait because I have work. I can't wait because I have work. तो आला नाही म्हणून आम्ही खेळलो नाही. He didn't come so we didn't play. He didn't come so we didn't play. मी मदत केली कारण ते योग्य होतं. I helped because it was right. I helped because it was right. मला माहित नाही की तू कधी येणार. I don't know when you will come. I don't know when you will come. मी प्रयत्न करेन जरी ते अवघड असेल. I will try even if it is hard. I will try even if it is hard. तू आलास आणि मला आनंद झाला. You came and I felt happy. You came and I felt happy. मी थांबलो कारण मला तुझी वाट पाहायची होती. I stopped because I wanted to wait for you. I stopped because I wanted to wait for you. मी काही बोललो नाही कारण मी रागात नव्हतो. I didn't say anything because I wasn't angry. I didn't say anything because I wasn't angry. जर तू अभ्यास केला नाही तर तुला त्रास होईल. If you don't study, you will face trouble. If you don't study, you will face trouble. मी काम करतो आणि शिकतोही. I work and study too. I work and study too. ती हसली कारण तिला आनंद झाला. She smiled because she was happy. She smiled because she was happy. मी तिथे जाणार नाही जोपर्यंत तू माझ्यासोबत येत नाहीस. I won't go there unless you come with me. I won't go there unless you come with me. मी विचार केला पण उत्तर सापडलं नाही. I thought but I found no answer. I thought but found no answer. जरी मी थकलो आहे तरी मी काम करेन. Although I am tired, I will work. Although I am tired, I will work. मी आलो आणि सगळं ठीक केलं. I came and fixed everything. I came and fixed everything. Thank you guys.